Welcome to Lead Brakes. My name is Bill Cummings. Today we're going to take a look at our PBKT 6001 Power Brake Booster and Master Cylinder for the 73 to 87 Chevrolet C10 trucks. This Power Brake Booster and Master Cylinder is a direct bolt-on to your stock firewall and will work with all your factory brake lines. Let's get this box opened up and show you what's inside. With this kit, you receive our 8-inch dual diaphragm power brake booster, which is hand polished before the zinc-plated finish is applied. We pre-assembled this brake booster with the mounting brackets and the brake master cylinder. When we assemble the brake master cylinder, we preset that push rod for you, so no adjustment is needed. Also included in this kit are the push rod components needed to mount to your stock brake pedal. With every kit, we also include a full set of installation instructions to walk you through the process. Thank you for checking out our brake booster for the 73 to 87 C10 trucks. As you can see here, we have a wide variety of products for that vehicle, from zinc plated with cast iron master cylinders all the way to full chrome. Make sure you also check out our rear disc brake conversion kits for the C10 trucks. If you're looking for these products or any other of our products, check out leadbrakes.com or give us a call at 716-852-2139. Thank you for checking out Lead Brakes.